everyone. I hope you are all doing well. It's Sarah here with another virtual science station experiment for us to try together today. So let's jump in and get started.
All right, we are here with our handy dandy board that's keeping me on track with knowing what day it is. It is Tuesday, May 26th, 2020. In this video, on the agenda, as per usual, we will have introductions, materials, directions, and an explanation.
So, to introduce myself again, my name is Sarah Snyder. I'm the program coordinator here at the Montana Science Center. And the experiment we are doing today is a Montana Science Center classic experiment. We do this for birthday parties, we do this at the science station, we even have this at the science station, and if you ask for one of the kits, you can do it all on your own without a guided person helping you. And it is, drumroll, slime. We love slime here at the Science Center and the Science Station. It's great. So I thought I would share with you our magic recipe and we could make it together today. All right, let's get started.
Okay, so here I have a slime kit that we have at the Science Station. It's a paper bowl and a popsicle stick. We use 2-ounce containers that we fill up halfway, so about 1 ounce of each liquid. So this is water, labeled with a W. This is liquid school glue, labeled with a G. And this is borax dissolved in water, labeled with a B. And I'm gonna go ahead and take everything out. We make slime so much at the Science Center that we even typed these recipes out, that when we're open again, whenever that may be, we give these away to people who ask for our slime recipe. So for the borax solution, it's 1 teaspoon of borax per 1 cup of warm water. You really wanna get that borax dissolved in here so it looks just like regular water, but it does have borax in it. So that is the recipe for you all. So we are going to start first by pouring the water and the glue into the bowl. It should look like this, and we're gonna wanna mix it together pretty thoroughly. All right, so this is about the consistency that we want. Go ahead now and add whatever color food coloring you have. I chose pink, so I'm gonna add that next and then stir well as well. Right. All of my food coloring, or rather the liquid watercolor, is mixed in well. Next, I'm gonna add the borax and water solution. When you add that, you wanna mix it pretty quickly, and you'll notice that that bond will happen pretty quickly and it'll start to resemble slime pretty quickly. So as you can see, it totally turned into slime. It's still a little wet, but the more you work it and manipulate it, the stickier and slimier it gets. So there you have it. To save this, you can go ahead and put it in a plastic bag or an airtight container. I sometimes put it back in those 2-ounce containers with the lid on. You just want to make sure that it is not letting any air in to allow it to dry out. So there you have it.
What a fun and classic experiment to do. Slime is a hit. I've seen it done in a ton of different variations. You can add glitter, you can add beads, make it as fun and sensory as you want to make it. But how does this experiment work? So what we know about the chemical reaction that happens within slime is that something called cross-linking happens. So when that glue and the borax meet, they link. And they link polymer chains, and that's basically the science behind slime. So it's pretty neat and a neat, fun experiment that you can save and come back to and play with and have it be a fun thing that you do for the rest of the week. All right, until next time, everyone, we'll see you later. Bye.